Hi, I'm Keith, I'm one of the technicians at Big Motoring World, and today I'm going to show you how to top up and check your coolant level. The cooling system is a very important part of the engine's components. Basically, to have a cooling system will keep your engine nicely lubricated. A failure in the cooling system will cause catastrophic failure for any components within the engine, and we don't want to have that now, do we? Before checking and topping up your coolant, you may need a couple of bits of equipment. A cloth or a rag to wipe the excess spills, in case you do, and the coolant itself. There are various different types of coolant, so it's best to consult your owner's manual to see which type your vehicle takes. Ideally, before every journey, you should check your coolant level while the engine is cold. However, if you have been driving and your temperature warning light comes on, never open up a pressurised system while it's hot, because it can create injury and burns. So, time for a cup of tea.
Keith, possible done.
I'm scrolling through TikTok having a cuppa, mate. Oh. So once your engine has cooled down and you've opened the bonnet and located your coolant reservoir, but always consult your manual on this, we'll go ahead and proceed and top up the coolant. You need to identify your expansion bottle to your coolant. This will be clearly marked here with a yellow little sign on here. That's a warning label, but also consult your owner's manual as well to see the situations. In various models, they could be situated anywhere. Now that we have found where the coolant reservoir is, make sure you check if the coolant is between the minimum and max mark. On most cars, the reservoir container is see-through, and so you can visibly see if it needs to be topped up. Now you have your coolant solution, we're now going to proceed to top up the coolant level. Once your coolant is topped up and you screwed the cap all the way to the end stop, it's time to go. For more tips and tricks, follow Big One Shot Car.